Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NAK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis last week, so that is where the red and green line annotation are coming from. But after today's price movement, it's definitely some updates here need to be done. First thing I'm going to do is a little house cleaning, just get rid of that line there. It's not really relevant right now from a presentation standpoint. I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this analysis as clean as possible moving forward. The first update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So going into the day, that $1.85 mark was considered an area of support, but that level didn't hold off very long at all. In fact, the price gapped down below it this morning, and then after the gap down, the price just continued to bleed and bleed and bleed. So on any sort of continued bounce to the upside, $1.85 is certainly public enemy number one. And I do say continued bounce because you got to give some credit where credit's due. Throughout the late day today, there was a nice little upwards move here. So if this, movement has any sort of genuine strength behind it, a good test of that strength or lack thereof will be, can it get up to that $1.85 mark? And then if it can, how does it behave? Meaning, does it go up there and then just get destroyed? Does it go up there and then the price just cuts through it like a warm knife through butter? So that'll definitely be a very revealing area up around there. So watch $1.85 in terms of areas of resistance. As far as support levels are concerned, nothing fancy or complicated here. Really just a question of where did the bleeding finally stop today? And that was down there at $1.58. So $1.58, that initial level of support. But in the event the price goes down there and can't quite hold above it, next key level after that would be that gap close location down around $1.50. But all in all, yeah, not the greatest way to start off the week. But the good news is there's still 4 days left on the week, so we'll see if the price can try to get things turned around or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.